Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Java topic today. It is arrays in Java. And what particularly is an array? Array, it is a kind of way of storing multiple data entry in a single variable. So this is what array is. And why is it useful? It is useful for your data handling and data processing process. It is also part of your data structure, and you'll get hella lot of question in your placements exam and placement test. So yeah, this is an important topic. So yeah, let's begin with an example today. So for creating an array, I'll show you how to create an array. So first of all, you have to enter the type of data you want to enter in your array. So in my case, it is integer. Now you have to name your array. So let's name it ARR, followed by square brackets. And now in the curly brackets, you have to add some data to your array. So let's say I am adding some data. So let's say it is my data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So many students have doubt how to print this array and how not to do it. So yeah, let me tell you. So if we do something like this, and if we execute this code, so you can see it is printing out something like this, and we don't know what this is. This is just a address of our array in our memory. If we print our array, it will return something like this random thing. So we cannot work with it. It is just the location of our array in our memory or system memory. So how to do it? For doing that, we'll need for loop. So for using for loop, we have to do for. I am defining an integer I, and I, it should be less than the length of array. Okay, not equal to, it should be less than the length of array, because the indexes in array, it starts from 0, and yeah, that's why it should be less than the length of array. And I is gonna increment by 1. And what we'll do, we'll print out this array. And for doing that, I'll do ARR of I. And if we do this, if we execute it, okay, I forgot this semicolon over here. It is important. It can create some error. So you can see it is printing out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 as it is. And if you want that your that 20, 30, 40, 50 and this 10, they should be in 7. So you can avoid this ln over here, and you can add space or comma. So for doing that, let's say I am adding comma and space both, and you can do like this. So I hope it was clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, you can rewind the video, take another look at it. You can also join our WhatsApp groups for your doubt clearance. Any vcode core member would be more than happy to help you. And in that group, we have a separate community in our vcode WhatsApp groups. You can ask, and all of us will be happy to help you. You'll get more and more questions, so do join our vcode WhatsApp groups. And yeah, till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.